In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to use what we call a relative layout to lay out our pages so that we can see the graph in a better way. Okay, so as you can see, we have relative layout. You can Google that and see how you can align all the elements using a relative layout. So I'll be using the parameter of align parent top. This means this part will be the main element. It will be aligned to the top, and then we will be putting the other charts below it. Okay, as you can see, for the second chart part, we want it to be just on top of the other one, so both of them have to be aligned to the top. And then for the text, your vocabulary size, it will be below the chart. This is just an example, and we will see how it's going to look like. Just start the application and wait for it. We're going to see the result. Yeah, perfect. As you can see, it is aligned to the top of the layout and the text is below it, just below it. Now all we have to do is to work a better graph, work our layout, and see how we can design a better layout by adding other elements. Okay, so we'll be trying to reproduce this chart. So let's just bring it to the top, okay, and put the chart below it. So this one, we're gonna put this one as the top element, and the chart will be just below it. So this one, we're gonna be below the text view results. Okay, so just copy this because we have the text view result, and we're gonna add the score. So we create this one. That the first one was just the text, and below it, that will be our vocabulary size, or just called vocabulary size. And here it's a number, our score. This one will be aligned below the text, of course. It's not above but below, and then the ID, and then just below the text. Now let's just align the charts just below this text score. So it's gonna be in the view text vocabulary size. Perfect. The same thing for the overlaid graph, so that we can see the animation. And that's it. I think it's quite cool so far. What can we do? What can we do? Okay, so let's just add that text, the last 20%. This will be, we'll program this later to change its value. We're gonna call it, for now, just call it last, okay? And this one will be just below the chart we just created. And then should we add another text view for the message? Yeah, let's do that. Okay, let's just create the notification. That notification, we're gonna call it our notification, text view notification. It will be just below the view last. Here we just put a dummy text for now. We'll change this later programmatically. Okay, so this one a new line, so that's score, and then below just the text. Let's see how it's gonna look like. Launching the app, testing. Oops, what happened? It's gotta be, it has something to do with the match parent, I guess. For the width and height. Vocabulary size, what's the problem here? Yeah, I think it's aligned properly. Yeah, it has to do with the match parent. I'm gonna change those match parent and just do a wrap content to solve this problem. I'm gonna see in the next video.